Let's learn healthy versus unhealthy food. These are healthy foods. They give us energy, make us strong, and keep us happy. These are unhealthy foods. Eating too much of them can make us feel tired and weak. Apples are a healthy and nutritious fruit for kids, containing vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants that support immunity, digestion, and overall well-being. Cupcakes, especially those from bakeries, can be considered unhealthy due to their high sugar, calorie, and saturated fat content, potentially leading to health problems like obesity and diabetes. Avocados are a healthy and versatile food option, providing essential nutrients like healthy fats, fiber, vitamins C, E, K, and minerals, potassium, magnesium, that support growth, development, and overall well-being. Potato chips, while a popular snack for kids, are considered unhealthy due to their high sodium, fat, and calorie content, and lack of essential nutrients, potentially leading to health issues like obesity and heart problems. Green vegetables are a powerhouse of nutrients essential for kids' growth and development, containing vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium, fiber, and folate, supporting strong bones, a healthy immune system, and more. Milk is a healthy food because it's rich in essential nutrients like calcium, protein, vitamins A, D, B12, and phosphorus, all crucial for bone health, energy, and overall development. While chocolate can be enjoyed in moderation, excessive consumption, especially by children, can lead to health issues like tooth decay, obesity, and hyperactivity due to its high sugar and fat content. Nutrient-rich, contains essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Examples: fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Benefits: boosts immunity, supports healthy pregnancies, strengthens bones, and lowers the risk of chronic diseases. High in calories, sugar, saturated or trans fats, and sodium. Low in essential nutrients. Examples: processed meats, sodas, white bread, fast food, and sugary snacks. Risks: can lead to obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hatch curiosity, grow knowledge, and keep watching, learning with eager A.